Welcome to Senkong. This is Maggie. Where we are now is the workshop of glass double edgers. After years of technical innovation, Senkong has already launched the 4th generation of double edgers. Our annual production capacity to reach 400 sets. Now, we have 4 product series: the Standard Series, the High-Speed Series, the Half Shuffle Series, and the Full Shuffle Series. Besides, we can provide different solutions to satisfy our clients' requirements. This is our new double edger with full shuffle control system. The whole machines adopt PLC control system. Main drive and all grinding heads are shuffle control. It is with high efficiencies and labor saving. What's more, it solves the problem about lack of professional and skilled workers. In the future, we are looking forward to create more value for your glass.